Hey everybody, it's me, Miss You, and right now what we're going to be doing is creating points where our holes will be once we measure the holes. So I'm going to go to the points. I'm going to go first. I'm going to select this area. I'm going to go to sketch. I'm going to go to the point, and now I'm going to create points to the approximate positions where our holes will be. Here's one, um, two, three. I'm trying my best to line everything up with the dots, and you see the horizontal line over there? That's to make sure everything will be even, and there. So once we have these 5 basic dots, I'm going to begin dimensioning their location, okay? Um, so let's look at the top one is 2.875 from the bottom. So I'm selecting it, and it is 2.875 done from the bottom, and from the side it is right in the middle of the 1.75, so we're going to divide it by 2. So we're going to go from here to here, and it is 1.75 divided by 2, and our first dot has been dimensioned in location, and you could see it changed colors. The next one we're going to do is these 4 dots over here. 2 of them are 2.75 inches from the edge, so I'm going to dimension it. It's from the left edge, so from here to here it is 2.75, and because I spent time at the beginning lining everything up, they both should move at the same time, and they did. And the other one is 3.875. So this one should also be 3.875. And this is not, should be 3.875. And they both lined up at the same time, which is perfect. And now I need to do the distance from the bottom, and it is 0.375. And again, because I spent time lining everything up early, and here we are, 0.375. And now we're going to go to the top from here to here. And this is 1.5. Okay. And so our first 5 holes have been fully dimensioned. And now let's do the next 4 holes. Okay. So I'm going to go back to my point, which is right over here. And I'm going to select 4 points. 1. Now again, I want to spend time making sure everything's lined up and that I have the parallel and the perpendicular lines set up nicely. Okay. And from the top, I am 0.375. Whoops, that should not have happened. There I am. I want to be in dimension. So I go from the point to the, whoops, from the point to the upper edge. I want it to be 0.375. And from the top to the bottom, it's supposed to be, just to double check, 0.3875. Yep. And together they add up to 4.25. Excellent. So now I need this distance to the edge, which is zero point 0.4, which I believe is 0.406. Or it's 0.425 subtracting 0.3875. So let's see what that becomes from here to here. It is 4.25. Subtract 3.875. Okay, there it is. Everything, that dot is lined up. It's 0.375. So from here to here, it's also 0.375. Go enter. Oops. And then from top to bottom, I have 2.75. Now for my last two that need to be lined up, from here to the right edge is 0.275 or 2.75, and everything changed colors, so we are fully dimensioned. The next step is we're going to get our calipers and we're going to measure all the holes and create holes that are that size.